I am going to talk about physical interpretation of Klein-Gordon equation. So as we have derived equation of continuity using Klein-Gordon equation, so equation of continuity according to Klein-Gordon equation is curly rho by curly t plus divergence of j, and it is equal to 0, and let me call this as equation number 1. Now here rho is basically iota h cross 2 m naught c square psi star curly psi over curly t minus psi curly psi star over curly t, and let me call this as equation number 3, and where J is the current density, and it is H cross 2 iota m naught, and it is psi del psi minus psi del psi star, or it can be written as minus iota H cross 2 m naught psi star del psi minus curly del psi star, and let me call this as equation number 4. Now, but according to, this is from the Klein-Gordon equation which we are getting, but according to non-relativistic Schrodinger equation, this is curly rho by curly t plus divergence j is equal to 0. This is the equation of continuity, but here it looks identical to Klein-Gordon equation, but here rho is basically E over m naught c square psi star psi, and where j is minus iota h cross m naught psi star del psi minus psi del psi, right? So this is according to Schrodinger wave equation. Thus this quantity right, so this quantity is similar to it. This 4 and 6 looks identical. This is from Klein-Gordon equation, this is from non-relative Schrodinger equation. But if I try to look at the discharge density component, then they are entirely different. This quantity is always positive, but if I try to look at this equation, this may be positive or negative. In charge density, probability density, it may be positive or negative. So that means this is the major drawback of this Klein-Gordon equation, because it is in some region it may be positive and in some region it may be negative. Thus the negative energy of rho negative energy, not negative energy, but negative value of rho in Klein-Gordon equation is physically unacceptable And this is the fundamental difficulty with it. So there is a problem in accepting Klein-Gordon equation directly. But later on, when people incorporated the idea of incorporated, then it seems this Klein-Gordon equation seems to be good for spin zero or the integral spin particles, right? So that's all about the physical interpretation of this Klein-Gordon equation. So that's all for this lecture.